Essays Workshop 21. We're going to move on to learning how to make our body paragraph stronger, starting with transitions. This time we're going to talk about addition transitions. But what is a transition? Let's learn. Transitions are words that help to structure your writing and give it direction. They're kind of like a turn signal. The turn signal is the car light that flashes and shows which way the car will turn. When you are driving a car, you should use your turn signals so that other drivers know where you're going. Transitions work in the same way. Let's look at a few different types of transitions and practice using them in our own paragraphs. Today, let's focus on addition. Addition transitions show that you are going to keep adding more details to your explanation in the body paragraph. That means you can use addition transitions to add a second explanation after your first one. Here are some addition transitions you should know. Furthermore, in addition, and likewise. Now let's look at some examples using these transitions. Below is a body paragraph with the main topic of smiling is good for you. Let's take a look at it and see the transitions we used. One reason to smile more is because it's not only good for others, it is also good for you. That's the topic sentence for the body paragraph. Now let's look at the explanation. Scientists have found that smiling more can make you feel happier. By using the muscles in your face to help you smile, you can trick your brain into being happier. Smiles also boost your immune system and reduce stress. That's the first explanation, but I want to add more, so I'm going to use an addition transition and then explain some more. This time we're going to say in addition. In addition, smiling can help you make a better first impression. A simple smile can make people think that you are more beautiful, kind, and intelligent. Now let's look at our conclusion sentence. Clearly, smiling is a great way to improve your physical, mental, and social health. Here, the first part of the explanation is about how smiling is good for your health. Then, the green transition phrase signals that there will be another point that adds on to your first. The second half of the explanation goes on to show how smiling can help you socially. There are even more addition transitions that are useful for your essay writing. Here are some of them. Moreover, also, and as well as. Let's practice using them today. Remember, if your transition starts your sentence, add a comma after it. Now let's go on and practice using all these addition transitions we've learned. Let's do practice 1. Complete the body paragraph by writing the first explanation point. Then, use an addition transition and add the second explanation point. Here's an example. The question is, why is it important to brush your teeth? The main idea is, brushing your teeth prevents cavities and tooth decay. The explanation point 1 is, brushing your teeth keeps them white and clean. The transition is, moreover. Explanation point 2 is, brushing your teeth prevents them from rotting. Now can you put it all together? This is what your paragraph should sound like. Brushing your teeth is not only healthy, but important for beauty. Having white teeth is a sign of good health. Brushing your teeth keeps them white and clean. Moreover, brushing your teeth prevents them from rotting. Let's move on to practice 2. Read the questions below. Use the word box to write a body paragraph that transitions from one point to another. Your word box for number 1 is furthermore, campfire, and pets. The explanation is, dragons are a great blank if you love s'mores. They can easily start a blank for you to roast marshmallows on. Blank, you'll always be warm. This is because anytime you are cold, they can make a fire for you to warm up next to. Your explanation should say, dragons are great pets if you love s'mores. They can easily start a campfire for you to roast marshmallows on. Furthermore, you'll always be warm. This is because anytime you are cold, they can make a fire for you to warm up next to. Number 2, your word box is combination, in addition, and vanilla. Your explanation is, vanilla ice cream is the best because you can add any topping to it and it is sure to taste good. Chocolate chips, sprinkles, caramel sauce, you name it. They all taste good with vanilla ice cream. Blank, you can mix blank with other ice cream flavors too. You can trust that you'll get a tasty blank and not a gross flavor. Your explanation should say, vanilla ice cream is the best because you can add any topping to it and it is sure to taste good. Chocolate chips, sprinkles, caramel sauce, you name it. They all taste good with vanilla ice cream. In addition, you can mix vanilla with other ice cream flavors too. You can trust that you'll get a tasty combination and not a gross flavor. Are you ready to try practice 3? Write 2 sentences for the explanation of a body paragraph using the given explanation points and transition. The question is, would you like to own a pet pig? Explanation point 1 is, pigs are smart and can be trained to do tricks. Your transition word is likewise. Your explanation point 2 is, they can be pets just like dogs. Dogs can be trained and so can pigs. Your explanation should say, pigs are smart and can be trained to do tricks. Likewise, they can be pets just like dogs. Dogs can be trained and so can pigs. Question 2. What is the best food to eat for breakfast? Explanation point 1 is, toast is a fast and simple food to eat for breakfast. This makes it great for busy mornings. Your transition is, moreover. Your explanation point 2 is, you can change the flavor of toast to keep it fun. You can have butter, jam, or peanut butter on top. Your explanation should sound like this altogether. Toast is a fast and simple food to eat for breakfast. This makes it great for busy mornings. Moreover, you can change the flavor of toast to keep it fun. You can have butter, jam, or peanut butter on top. Great work practicing using addition transition. Now, let's improve our body paragraph 1 by adding more explanation using an addition transition. Are you ready? Rewrite the first body paragraph, which is a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. You wrote this in part 1 of the book at the end of workshop 15. However, this time, add an addition transition into your explanation. You can add another sentence to your explanation if needed. Remember, the essay question is, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example using one of the examples from part 1 of this book. Winter is the greatest since all the bugs are gone. There are no bugs in the winter because it is too cold for them to survive. Moreover, cold weather makes things freeze, including bugs. If the bugs freeze in the winter, they will die, so there are no bugs in the winter. Winter is the best because all the insects disappear. Now it's your turn. Rewrite your topic sentence from body paragraph 1 and your explanation and conclusion. But be sure to add an addition transition to your explanation. Let's use the checklist to check our first body paragraph. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the first reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Is there an addition transition that connects 2 sentences in the explanation? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Now that you've improved your first body paragraph, let's do it again for the second body paragraph. You will add another explanation using an addition transition. Now let's improve body paragraph 2. Do the same thing for your second body paragraph, which is your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence from the one you wrote in part 1 of this book. Try to add a different addition transition this time. Remember, you can add more information if you need. The essay question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? Here is body paragraph 2 example from the first part of this book. I love winter the most because I can go snowboarding. To go snowboarding, you need to have snow. And there is only snow in the winter. If there is no snow, as well as low temperatures to make sure it doesn't melt, there is nothing to slide down on a snowboard. Snowboarding is a fun sport, but it can only be done in the winter. I can go snowboarding in the winter, so I love it the most. Now it's your turn to try. Write your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence from body paragraph 2 of your first essay. However, make sure you add an addition transition. Now let's check our second body paragraph. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the second reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Is there an addition transition that connects 2 sentences in the explanation? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Perfect work. You finished adding more explanation to your body paragraph 2. Are you ready to try it for body paragraph 3? Add more to your explanation using an addition transition. Let's go. Are you ready to improve your third body paragraph? Finally, do the same for your third body paragraph, your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence that you wrote in part 1 of this book. Try to add a different addition transition this time. Remember, you can add more information if you need. The essay question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? Here is the body paragraph 3 example from part 1 with an addition transition. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so winter is the best. Christmas is amazing because you get presents from Santa. Santa comes to your house at night with a sleigh and leaves gifts under your tree. Also, you can send him a letter in advance so that he knows exactly what you want. Christmas is December 25th, which is always in the winter. Winter is the greatest because I love Christmas. Are you ready to try? Go back to part 1 of this book and look at your third body paragraph. Then, write your topic sentence and explanation. Make sure you add an addition transition, and then write your conclusion sentence. Good luck. Finally, we can check our third body paragraph. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the third reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Is there an addition transition that connects 2 sentences in the explanation? And does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Great job learning how to use addition transitions to improve your essay. Let's keep going, and in the next workshop, we'll look at different transitions you can use to make your essay even stronger.